are welcome to Divine's Kitchen. How are you all doing today? You know, I told you I'm going to be bringing a drink, a tea that you're going to be drinking in the morning, 30 minutes before you eat your breakfast daily. Yes, 30 minutes before you eat your breakfast. I told you I'm going to be bringing different type of tea that you need to drink. I'll bring the fast one, I'll bring the easy one, I'll bring the hard one, I'll bring the one that you can just, when I mean hard one and easy one, the one you can do just fast and you go, and the one you can do the one we're going to be doing today is not. So guys, we'll be needing pineapple in this recipe, we'll be needing ginger, we're going to be needing lemon, and we're going to be needing black pepper. As you can see, black pepper, I add it to the pot. We're going to be needing parsley. Parsley is very good to detoxify a lot of things that is not good in your system. We're going to be needing, as usual, ginger. So this, we're going to be washing this pineapple, so we have to wash it proper. I don't want my hand to stay, so you wash it very properly. So as we are through washing it, what we need is the skin of the pineapple. We peel the skin. The skin and the head and the center here. That is what we need. Remember, this is not waste. You can keep it for your smoothie. You can decide to freeze it. So this, we're going to be taking this, you add it to the pot. Remember, we add the black pepper to the pot. You add all this to the pot. We wash all this before we put it. If you like, you can skip this. Let me remove this. I add this. So the lime, you washed it very proper, you cut them. When you finish cutting it, you add it to the pot. I'm going to be using 2 lime. And this ginger, we slice them. I'm going to be using all the ginger. You add it to the pot. So now the parsley, I'm not going to be using all. I'm going to be using just a little of it, like this, like this. So you have to wash the parsley. So I'm through washing it. You just add it to the pot that way. So now I add it to the pot. You will put, we're going to be using this water. You add water to it. So when you are through adding water to it, you just take your cover and cover. We're going to leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes to boil. 10 to 15 minutes or like 20 minutes. Let it properly boil. So as you can see, it's okay this way. So you need to have a sip and a teacup. You take it. So it will be like this. So you take cayenne pepper. This cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is very good too. You drop a little bit. The same black pepper that we had before. You see, black pepper. You add little to it. You stir. So this is it, guys. You can take this in the morning, 30 minutes before your breakfast. Any breakfast that you're going to be taking, if it is smoothie, if it is a brown bread, if it is egg, whatever you're going to be taking in the morning, you take this 30 minutes before your breakfast. In the evening, you take it also. So the remaining one that is remaining in this pot is not waste. You are going to store it. So the remaining one, I'm going to be storing it in here. So when I store it here, in the morning, I will just take and put it in my cup, teacup, just warm, and put my cayenne pepper and just drink. It can be in the fridge like 3 days is okay. So that is it, guys. Subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Support this channel, help this channel to grow more. Be with this family. You will never regret of doing so. I love you guys. Bye bye. Remember, it's not over until God says so. You are a winner. Always have the positive mindset of a winner. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye. Toast, chest. Start. If you want to buy the cayenne pepper, you will see cayenne pepper in supermarkets. You will see black pepper in the supermarket. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Thank you for watching, guys. So in the morning, you take that 30 minutes before your breakfast. After eating, after 30 minutes, you look for other food, light food to eat, like egg or like brown bread. You will see gradually it's not going to go very fast, but gradually it will be detoxifying your system and all. Try to keep to those things. I'm going to be bringing a lot of tips, a lot of tea that we'll be using here. We thank God for bringing today to successful day. We give him glory, we give him honor, we give him adoration. We thank him for each of our channel. We soak our channel with the precious blood of Jesus. Thank you for coming. We see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.